I like to cook. And to cook, I like to make salsa and other things. And to do that, you have to prepare the different ingredients. I like to make salsa from scratch. So I have to get my ingredients, and then what do I do with them? Chop them, right. And chop them means not chopping your fingers.
Right.
That's why this finger has a flat part, and my thumb has a flat part, because I added protein to the salsa by chopping off the end of my fingers.
Yep.
You would think, you do that once, that's enough, right? No. Why do you think I have multiple flat spots? Because I did it multiple times. Now, I know that's never happened to you, right?
Right.
You've never failed the same way twice, have you? You've never had more than one speeding ticket. You've never had more than one accident. You've never gone into the women's room when you're a man more than once. You know, what are the things? It takes time, effort. Is obeying and following God the same way?
Yes.
Yes, it takes time, it takes effort, because